guys, Foxbear here, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to show you behind the scenes. So in today's behind the scenes, I'm going to be showing you what I'll be doing when I do these awesome plane spotting videos that I'll be uploading to you twice a day in the future. And it's all just about Paya Lebar Air Base and all about aviation. For a while, I put 2 vlogs a month, not about aviation, just about random stuff. And yeah, and I quit reaction. I don't like reacting to stuff, but yeah. I mean, sometimes I would do it, but when I'm bored, I'm like, nothing to do, or the planes are absent. By the way, speaking of absent planes, on Saturday, Sunday, I don't know where they are, but in the west, there's some Apaches coming around and they come in. I don't know why the planes are absent on Saturday and Sunday. Maybe it's just it's the weekend, probably their day off. But what if someone attacked from a different country? Then that would be pretty bad. Maybe there's just some people living in the dormitories of the control tower over there. That control tower has the most watch everything. And probably more. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the behind the scenes. This is like my little standing area. This is like my little fun place. It's like a playground for me. It's like my little area. I have my little bench I can sit on while I do my plane spotting videos. Oh, in fact, there's C-130 just making its approach. Wow, it's a good photo. In fact, Paya Lebar Air Base has such a pretty space. I mean, has a long green strip. I mean, and it goes for like a long meter. I even have a view of the city, and I have a view of everything. Basically, I'm like a little spy, but I won't be a spy. But you know that it's very fun taking all these photos. Oh, an F-15's taking off right now. Oh, that's got to be perfect. I mean, yes, that was the right time. And yeah, that F-15. Oh, it's coming over. There's this little space. It's pretty good. I mean, that's why most planes come in and approach. And I film out this window over here, and that's where all those planes come. And then they make a very sharp bank angle into the Paya Lebar. So we did some plane spotting today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this is Foxbear signing off. Peace.